Hello, good morning, friends. Welcome to VVSM Academy, a School of Arts and Science. It's a service to the rural Karnataka, rural India, a mission with a vision. VVSM Academy, Gopanahalli is located in Kalyananagar, Bangalore, urban Karnataka. The academy was established in the year 1998 and is managed by Veerabhadraya Demaya Gopanalli, a member of Gopanalli Employees Association, registered. Well, friends, let us discuss about the human causes, that is anthropogenic or man-made causes. Greenhouse gases, deforestation, coal mining, burning of fossil fuels, industrial processes, agriculture. These are the important 6 points which are human causes, anthropogenic or man-made causes in the ecology. What are greenhouse gases? A greenhouse gas is a gas that absorbs and emits radiant energy within the thermal infrared range. What is radiant energy? The energy comes out from the material in the form of radiation. Greenhouse gases cause the greenhouse effect on planets. The primary greenhouse gases are in Earth's atmosphere. Water vapor, number 1. Carbon dioxide, number 2. Methane, number 3, nitrous oxide, number 4, and the 5th one is ozone. The formula for water vapor: H2O, carbon dioxide, CO2, methane, CH4, nitrous oxide, N2O, ozone, O3. Try to remember the formula of the respective chemical compounds. Earth's greenhouse gases trap heat in the atmosphere and warm the planet. It traps the heat and keeps the planet always warm. The main gases responsible for greenhouse effect include carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, and water vapor. We are already discussed, which all occur naturally, and fluorinated gases, which are synthetic. Fluorinated gases, the gases which is mixed with fluorine, a toxic gas in the halogen family. Greenhouse gases have different chemical properties and are removed from the atmosphere over time and again different processes. The fluorinated gases are destroyed only by ultraviolet radiations, that is sun's energy, that is the solar energy in the upper atmosphere, my dear friends. Well, 10 indicators of a human fingerprint on climate change: shrinking thermosphere, rising tropopause, less oxygen in the air, 30 billion tons of carbon dioxide per year is eliminated from the mankind. That means it comes to the atmosphere. Nights warming faster than days, more fossil fuel carbon in caudal, less heat escaping to the space, cooling stratosphere, more fossil fuel carbon in the air, more heat returning to the earth. In the last century, human activities such as burning fossil fuels and deforestation have caused a jump in the concentration of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. As a result of which, extra trapped heat and higher global temperatures. Greenhouse effect with normal greenhouse gases: solar radiation, heat absorbed by land, oceans, and atmosphere, and it is reached to the atmosphere. This is the warms the planet, that is greenhouse effect with increased greenhouse gases. Solar radiation comes from the sun, that is ultraviolet radiations. Heat is absorbed back into the space as infrared light. Some heat continues into space while the mist trapped by greenhouse gases help maintain the planet's relatively comfortable temperatures. less gas is equal to less heat trapped in the atmosphere. And here in the other side, increased greenhouse gases means less heat escapes between pre-industrial times and now the Earth's average temperature has risen 1.8 degree unit, that is 1 degree centigrade, that is Celsius. How much any one greenhouse gas influences global warming depends on these three key factors. The first is how much of it exists in the atmosphere. Concentration are measured in parts per million, that is ppm, parts per billion, that is ppb, and parts per trillion, that is ppt. Parts per million, 1 ppm for a given gas means, for example, that there is one molecule of that gas is every 1 million molecules of air. What is 1 million? 1 million is equal to 1,000 thousands. Parts per billion. The second is its lifetime, how long it remains in the atmosphere. Parts per trillion. The third is how effective it is at trapping the heat. This is referred to as its global warming potential, or GWP, and is measure of the total energy that a gas absorbs over a given period of time, usually 100 years, relatively to the emissions of 1 ton of carbon dioxide. How big is 1 million? 10 to the power of 6. That is 1 followed by 6 zeros. That means you have to multiply 10 into 10 into 10 into 10 into 10 into 10. You have to multiply 10 6 times. That is the 1 million value. The first 4 pieces of evidence show the humans are raising carbon dioxide levels, emitting around 30 million tons of carbon dioxide into atmospheres. In the climatic conditions we are observing today, carbon dioxide, the emission of carbon dioxide is more and more. Oxygen levels are falling as if carbon dioxide is being burned to create carbon dioxide. As long as the carbon dioxide is burning, oxygen is utilizing, and hence the amount of oxygen is becoming lesser and lesser and lesser day by day. Fossil carbon is building up in the atmosphere. We know this because of the 2 types of carbon have different chemical properties. Coral show the fossil carbon has recently risen sharply. Another 2 observations show carbon dioxide is dropping more heat. Satellites measures less heat escaping to space at precise. An increased greenhouse effect would make the nights warm faster than days. So my dear friends, satellite measurements show that stratosphere is cooling day by day. This combination of warming troposphere and cooling stratosphere should cause the tropopause, which separates them, to rise. This has also been observed. These are the reference study by James Witt. Well friends, please see the video, follow the video for your competitive examinations, for academic value of concern, a person who is interested in study of science. It is BBSM Academy, a school of knowledge, arts and science. Like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you. Don't forget to press the bell icon and subscribe.